Sweetie Zinta, who walked the ramp for Sanjukta Datta at day one of Lakme Fashion Week, turned the perfect muse for the designer. The event was also attended by Shabana Azmi, Shamita Shetty, and other B-Town celebs.
Well, it is the first time I'm walking in a sari, but anytime I walk on the ramp, I always hope I don't trip, there's no wardrobe malfunction, I don't bump into anyone, or some disaster doesn't happen. So thank God, it all went out well. And it was good this time. They did not have a high ramp, and they did not have too much lights, because usually when you're walking on the ramp, you can't really see what's ahead of you. So this time it was nice and compact and cute. This is the most easy to wear chadar urf sari, and if you see till date, I've never ever worn such a heavy sari. So it's a first one for me, and when I first saw it, I was like, it's really nice, but I couldn't figure out like why was it in two pieces. I thought maybe she wanted us to stitch it on location before the show, and then I read up about it. So yeah, I would love to. Right now, I think in another 3 months, 4 months, I don't know, my new film Bhaiya Ji Super Hit is ready. I'm very excited about it. It's a very, as people say, I hate it, but I'm going to say it. It's one of those bubbly roles. It's not a serious film for me. It's a very fun film, and I had a lot of fun shooting it. Of course, the day I got married, they decided they wanted to shoot right then. So I had to come back and finish the film, but it's over now, so I'm quite excited about it. I'd like to add that it's all hand done, and it's done in Assam. So I think today, with all the technology that's come in, a lot of skilled workers lose their jobs because of digital printing and stuff like that. So I'm very, very happy to be wearing this, because this brings in lots of jobs in the state. It keeps our culture alive, it keeps everything, and it looks really good. And so I think this is going to be my sari year, because even in my movie Bhaiya Ji Super Hit, I wear saris, and we want there a lot of Banarasi saris, because again it's a dying art, and we wanted, so it's really, I feel really happy that all that effort that's gone into it. So I think when people ask what the price is, I think the price in some ways is the cost, the price of a family making their earnings and their livelihood. So I'm happy to be wearing this sari. My personal style statements about comfort. I do like to be stylish and all, but if I'm going, let's say, on a big long flight, I'm not going to wear those stilettos and pose and walk, because it's, you know, you're going, especially me, because I fly all the way to LA. So it's like a 20-hour flight. So it's about comfort. If it's boiling hot outside, I will prefer to wear cottons and linens. But I don't care if the outfit is not designer or not expensive, but I like it to have a good cut.